Hi guys, welcome to honest, straightforward reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Hi guys, today I'm looking at the SteelSeries XL controller. Let's get into the pros. Works on any Android device, be it an Nvidia Shield TV, an Android tablet or phone. Works on iOS, iPad, OS, works on a Mac or a PC. It's really hard to find a good controller that works like this on everything. Comfortable, sturdy, wireless, not too expensive, but not too cheap either. The price is just about right. Let's get into the cons. No rechargeable batteries. Software isn't the best. Laggy and connection issues when paired with Windows. I don't know if that's the controller's fault or Windows on purpose is doing that, so you have to buy a Xbox controller. Verdict time. I like it just for the simple fact that it works well and is well built and works on nearly everything. If I had extra cash, I would just buy these on sale and keep them around if I need them in case of an emergency. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, let's get on to the unboxing. Just having some issues opening it up. Pretty standard packaging, I guess. Once you're used to Apple's marketing and packaging, it's hard to get impressed by anyone else. Comes with a pair of batteries, which is good. Has the manuals in there as well, although these days it's hardly necessary because you can download them and look at them online. Save the world, save paper, save the trees, etc. Okay, first of all, you'll notice about the design, it's very similar to the Xbox One controller. It's almost identical, and when I used it, the triggers were quite similar as well. It was soft and it had quite a bit of travel as well, which is good, I think, so you don't mistakenly press them. It's got a little port in there so you can connect it to your computer and I guess firmware update it and things like that. Okay, that's basically it. Looks pretty sturdy, nice and soft. Thanks guys. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.